How to use Trading 212 for beginners complete tutorial. First, you need to visit trading212.com, and this is the main homepage over here. So you need to first open an account to get started. So just click open an account. And then when you open an account, you have three options here to select what kind of trading account you want to open. So first, we have the Trading 212 CFD, stands for Contract for Difference. With this account, you're able to access more than 2,500 trading instruments, which span Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, NDCs, commodities, and ETFs. So if you're interested to open Trading 212 CFD account, then all you need to start with is a $10 minimum deposit. But if you're interested in trading stocks but don't feel CFD are suitable, then you might be interested to this Trading 212 Invest. Here you can buy stocks and ETFs with zero commission. So with this account, you can buy stocks and you can sell them whenever you're ready without worrying the complicated characteristics of the CFD's account, such as swap fees or account margin. The lowest amount you can deposit to this account, the invest, is just $1. Unless you're depositing via wire transfer, then the lowest amount is $10. And the third account that we have here is good if you are a UK resident, then you might be interested in the Trading 212 ISA account, or this account is also considered as an individual savings account. Under UK laws, you won't be required to pay tax on profit made with investment up to a certain amount while trading with this account. So this is perfect for UK resident only. But for non-UK, then it's alright because ISA is pretty much the same with the Trading 212 Invest. So for today's video, I will just go ahead and select the Trading 212 Invest. So you just need to click on it and then just enter your email and create your own password here. And click this box here to accept the privacy policy and click create an account. So I already created my account here, so let me just go ahead and log in to show you the user interface of this platform. Alright, so let's just wait for me to log in inside my account. Alright, so I just logged into my account, so let me just go ahead and close this one for a moment. So you will also have this guide here to start your account and start investing inside this platform. So for now, let me just close this one because setting up your account, you need to provide your name, your place of birth, your birth date, and also your tax identification number in your country or in the place where you paying your tax. So let me just close this one. So once you set up your account and provided all the information, then the next thing that you need to do here is, of course, you need to add some money inside your account. So to do that, you just need to go here and then just go ahead and click manage funds. It's where you can deposit some amount inside this platform. So there are different ways that you can deposit some money. So you can do bank transfer, or you can also make use of the card transfer. You can use debit card or credit card. And also you can make use of Apple Pay and Google Pay to add some amount inside the platform for you to start investing to different stocks over here. And then once you added some amount inside your account, then you can see the amount here inside your account value. And when you click this one, you will also see the money from the free funds and the portfolio. So let me just close this one. And over here, you can see the Tesla. So for example, if you will be buying some stock from Tesla, then you will just click buy over here. And over here, you can also see the performance of the Tesla over here. And as you can see, it's dropping. And also you can see the amount over here, as you can see. And also if you like to buy some stock from Tesla, then you can just click buy. And once you buy some stock, then you will also see another button here for you to sell the stock. So once the price over here get higher again, then you can just click the sell button to sell your stock and you can get some profit. So Over here on the left hand side, you can see we have the panel over here and we have different icons. So first we have the home icon. This is for the home dashboard. And this is the home dashboard over here. And you can see some stock here. And of course, you can also customize the stock that you want to show here inside your home dashboard. So you can just click this pencil icon over here to change it. Or you can also change the view from this one over here and also change it to something like that if you want to. And also you have different options here. You can check your my watch list, or you can also check the top winners for you to find stocks to invest, or you can also see the top losers, the popular. So here you can see that Tesla is the most popular stock to invest in, or you can also check the US stocks, UK stocks, new trading 212, upcoming earnings, and ETFs. So these are the information inside your home dashboard. And of course, the next icon that we have here, this pie icon, this is for your portfolio. So over here, you can browse some stocks and ETFs that you want to invest in. And also you can create a pie and invest automatically. So you can just click create a pie if you want to create a pie for all the stocks that you want to invest so that you have this auto invest over here. So the next one is the search. So you can search for different stocks here. So we have the stocks. So you can choose the most popular stocks, dividend, growth, high volatility. Let me just go ahead and click most popular. So here we have the Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Alphabet, Meta. And as you can see here, we have this check mark over here. It means that we added these stocks inside our my watch list. Just click this add icon over here. For example, for this ELF, you can just click add. Then just click my watch list for this one to be added to your watch list. So going forward, we also have our ETFs here. So you can select the most popular ETFs. So here are the ETFs that you can invest in. And then the next one, this calendar icon. This is for you to stay up to date on the economic event. So for this one, you can see the economic event that's going on. And as you can see here, the date. And of course, you can see here if how this economic event impact the stocks and the ETFs. So here, as you can see, it has a high impact. So you can just go ahead and also read explanation for you to learn more about this economic event. And of course, you also have this icon over here for you to filter your event. So here you can just select the medium event, high event, and of course, you can also change the by currency. So I selected here the USD for the United States. And the next one is this videos. So here you can watch different videos. This is very helpful, especially for beginners. So here you can see we have the Investing 101 videos for you to learn more about how to invest during high inflation, and also have different videos here that you can watch. And of course, the last one is for your notification. So I guess the tutorial for today's video will end here. I hope you learned something today. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thank you for watching.